Welcome to the IELTS preparation. This is lesson 1 and it's actually about the exam. So why do people take the IELTS exam? They normally do it because they want to study to get into a university or college or a job. And if you are good at English, I would recommend you take an IELTS certificate to an interview and show them. And also if you want to move to another country from a native or a non-native speaking country, they will ask you to do the IELTS exam. And then the purpose of the exam is to test the level of English to make sure that you're going to have the skills that you need to succeed. It's not a trick exam. They're not trying to trick you. They are just testing your level of English. So there are two types of exams. There's the academic, which is for study or work, and the general, which is usually for immigration, but some companies also accept the general for work. And you have the option of doing a paper-based exam or a computer-based exam. Here it would depend on your skill set. If you're very good on computers, probably sensible to do a computer-based exam. But if you're not, then paper-based is safer. So the exams consist of 4 parts. You've got the listening first, then the reading and writing. And the listening is 40 questions. It's in 4 parts, and it's 30 minutes. And then you get 10 minutes to transfer your answers to an answer sheet. And 10 minutes is a long time. And then the reading, which to me is the most difficult part of the whole exam, it comes in 3 parts. So you've got 60 minutes. And the writing is 2 parts and also 60 minutes. So the total time is 2 hours and 40 minutes, which is a long time to sit and concentrate, especially if you haven't been studying for a while or you're not used to focusing for such long periods of time. You want to start practicing sitting down and saying, I'm going to focus for an hour, and I'm going to focus for an hour and a half, and I'm going to focus for 2 hours, and see how you manage to build up to being able to sit and focus for 2 hours and 40 minutes. And the speaking is in 3 parts, and that's 7 to 12 minutes. And that could be scheduled on the same day or the day before or day after. It depends on where you are and who you're doing the exam through. So in terms of what you're aiming for, if you want to immigrate, you want as high as possible. The higher the better. If you want to study your undergrad or go to college, maybe they'd accept a 5 or a 5.5. Some colleges might accept a 4.5. And then if you're doing your master's, again, depending on the university, but probably a 6 or 6.5. And if you're doing your PhD or your doctorate, then a 6.5 or a 7. And basically what they're looking at, they say, if you are at that level, you should cope. And that's what it's really all about. So I hope that gives you some idea of what the exam is about and why you need it. And in the next section, we're going to look at the details of each of these sections of the exam. So I hope to see you then. Good luck.